how to use Renderforest logo animation, even if it's your first time. So let's go. Alright, so in the previous video we created a logo with our logo maker, and now today we will animate it. So we go into our projects, my logos that we created, and we created a beautiful, amazing coffee company logo called Coffee Creatives. And here you can see you have your export data that you can use, free, PNG or full. And to get the full or the PNG, I am not so sure, but I think you don't have to use up a credit. No, you don't. Free, and we click on animate. I said animate. And you will be presented by a bunch of templates, and all you need to do is hover your mouse over each of them and you will see how they look. And these are very amazing. I mean, they are so professional. If you have a YouTube channel, you will drop jaws if you start presenting these kind of animations in your intros. So we will find something that is in line with coffee, perhaps, and not a bullet exploding, but look at it. So I like this one. This may be a good fit. Particle infusion, animate now. So we will come into the animation builder inside of Renderforest, and it's very straightforward and simple. You have your image and it's already pre-filled because we used our logo to animate. And we can even add text here. Perhaps we can say something like, the power of coffee is amazing. Trust us. Now this is not a very convincing tagline, but it will be fine. What we can do is go into style and see if we like the overall feel, the golden feel, or if you want a silver feel or something else. But this will be just fine. And you can also change fonts if you want something else, and we can even add music. So they have a quite substantial music library to use over here, and we should add something great. I like this one, and just for the sake of the demo, let's go on. You can also change the music volume over here if it's too loud or not. And when you're done with your animation, we go into preview, and we always start with low quality watermark, because first we want to look how it looks. And if we are satisfied with the end product, we can export it with a credit through Renderforest to have it in high quality. So we click free preview, and it's rendering, putting it in a queue, and it will notify us when it's ready. It may take some time depending on how many people are using Renderforest in the moment. Alright, so our animation is done, it's done rendering, and let's take a look. Amazing, right? It's so easy to make amazing videos like this. So if you are satisfied, all you have to do is go into the HD and download it for use. Alright, so that's how easy it is to animate your freshly made logo into something amazing. But stay tuned, because in the next video we will dive deeper into the intro maker of Renderforest. See you in the next video.